Have you tried every chemical peel, serum, and expensive clinical treatment for your melasma or dark spots, only to find them coming back? What if the real answer isn't a modern synthetic chemical, but a time-tested secret from a 5,000-year-old medical science? Today we are diving deep into two powerful, scientifically backed remedies from ancient Ayurveda that target hyperpigmentation right at its root. These are not your average DIY kitchen trends. These are traditional, potent formulations used for centuries to restore a flawless, even-toned complexion. Let's begin with our first powerful remedy, the sacred nutmeg paste. In Ayurveda, nutmeg is celebrated for its incredible skin lightening and anti-inflammatory properties. It contains a natural compound called myristicin, which helps inhibit the overproduction of melanin, the dark pigment responsible for your melasma. To prepare this remedy, you will need a whole, high-quality nutmeg seed and a traditional stone grinding slab or a clean, rough stone block. Do not use pre-packaged, store-bought nutmeg powder, as it loses its essential volatile oils during processing. First, thoroughly clean your stone slab. Pour a few drops of pure, filtered water onto the surface. Hold the nutmeg seed firmly and begin rubbing it against the stone block in a smooth, circular motion. As the friction builds, you will notice a rich, thick, smooth paste starting to form. This freshly extracted paste contains the pure, undiluted essence of the nutmeg. Carefully collect this paste and apply it directly to your melasma patches or dark spots. Leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing your skin to fully absorb its natural healing compounds. Then, rinse it off thoroughly with cool water. For visible results, make this a consistent part of your daily skincare routine. Apply it once every single day, and within a few weeks, you will see those stubborn dark patches begin to fade away significantly. Now, let's move on to our second ancient powerhouse, the Arjuna Bark and Honey Blend. The Arjuna tree is legendary in Ayurvedic medicine. While it is famous for heart health, its bark is an absolute miracle worker for the skin. Arjuna bark is exceptionally rich in natural tannins, flavonoids, and powerful antioxidants. These compounds work together to strengthen the skin barrier, reduce deep-rooted pigmentation, and accelerate tissue repair. To prepare this blend, you need finely milled, pure Arjuna bark powder. You can easily find organic Arjuna bark powder online. Take exactly 1 teaspoon of this fine powder and mix it with an equal amount of raw, organic honey. Blend them together thoroughly until it forms a perfectly smooth, rich paste. The honey acts as a natural humectant, driving the healing properties of the Arjuna bark deep into the dermal layers while keeping your skin perfectly hydrated. Gently apply this smooth paste over the affected areas of your face. Let it sit undisturbed for 20 to 25 minutes, allowing the active botanical compounds to work their magic. Wash it off gently with lukewarm water. To completely eliminate deeply embedded melasma, apply this potent mixture once every day consistently for 4 to 5 weeks. Your skin will not only look lighter, but it will also feel incredibly soft, firm, and radiant. Both of these exceptional remedies are deeply rooted in ancient Ayurvedic science. They treat your skin gently without the harsh side effects, irritation, or rebound hyperpigmentation often caused by modern chemical treatments. Before starting any new botanical regimen, always remember to perform a quick patch test on your inner arm to ensure compatibility with your skin. Be consistent. Protect your skin daily with a high-quality mineral sunscreen, and let the timeless wisdom of Ayurveda restore your natural, flawless glow. If you found this ancient wisdom helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more authentic wellness secrets, and check the description box below for links to the pure ingredients used in today's video. See you in the next one.